Stupid alarm. Man, I overslept. Man, I'm hungry. What's there to eat? Yeah, gonna get something to eat. Ooh, bracelets for sale. I like bracelets. Hey, mister, can I have a bracelet? Well, gosh, sure. They're 15 cents. 15 cents. That's a little high for me. Can you come down a little bit? Gosh, you can't afford 15 cents? Get out of here, you broke bastard. Aww. Man, I really wanted a bracelet. Wait, how is it already dark? Is that money? Ooh, this is heavy. I could definitely buy a bracelet now. No, all the bracelets. Oh, I dropped it. Hey, give me all your money. How about now? Give me all your money or I'll shoot you. And I really need this money for some bracelets. I don't care about any flippin' bracelets. Just give me all your money or I'll shoot you. Nuh-uh. Yeah, wanna bet? Let me think about it. No. Well, you asked for it. I do what I do. I hear the police. Oh, what happened? Did I get shot? Wait, am I dead? Am I in heaven? Wait, no, I'm still alive. How? My coin with the 10 Commandments on it. Wow. Wait, I wonder if I could have traded that for a bracelet. Still I could be alive though. Man, he took my money. Well, I'm still gonna get something to eat. My coin. Man, I still can't believe I survived that. How's that day again? This place is so weird. Crunch and much caramel popcorn with peanuts. My favorite. Oh, I'm so full. I think I ate the whole box. I feel like I'm forgetting something. Oh yeah, I gotta get to work. I think I'm late. Gotta go. Gotta work. Gotta go. Gotta go. My stomach. What's going on? I think I have to poop. I shouldn't have ate all those crunch and munches. I gotta go to the bathroom. I think I'm done. Toilet paper? Oh no, no toilet paper. What can I use? I want to use my hand. I gotta get to work, and I can't have poo all on my butt. Well, I have to do it. Wash my hands. Wash my hands. Soap. Oh, it's so disgusting. Work. I gotta clean these pans. Today's gonna be a long day. I hate work. Oh man, I work a 9 to 5, and it's all. I was so late. My boss almost fired me. Barely pays me anything. Finally, I can get some rest. Thank you so much for watching this video. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon to be notified of my newest uploads. It helps my channel out so much. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.